Lego is one of the most successful toy companies in history, but it almost went bankrupt. So how did Lego survive? The answer begins with the man who started it all. In 1932, a Danish carpenter named Ole Kirk Christiansen founded a small toy company during the Great Depression. Even in difficult times, he refused to compromise on quality. His motto became the foundation of Lego: only the best is good enough. That philosophy became the foundation of Lego, a simple brick built with extraordinary precision, so precise that a brick made decades ago can still fit perfectly with one made today. And that simple idea helped turn Lego into a global icon. But over time, Lego began to lose sight of what made it special. In the late 1990s, the company expanded into video games, clothing, TV shows, theme parks, and thousands of new parts. Lego was growing in every direction, but that growth came at a cost. Production became more complicated, expenses spiraled out of control, and by 2003, Lego was on the brink of bankruptcy. Then came Jürgen Vig Knudstorp. When he became CEO, he realized Lego didn't need more ideas, it needed focus. He simplified the business, cut unnecessary projects, and brought Lego back to the one thing that had made it successful from the beginning: the brick. And it worked. Today, Lego is the world's largest toy company. But Lego's comeback wasn't built on a revolutionary new product. It was built on something much simpler, returning to what made the company successful in the first place. Lego didn't save itself by abandoning its past. It saved itself by remembering what it stood for. Only the best is good enough.